Yeah, sure. Let's move that. So, we've done proof by contrapositive, right? We talked about like how that's just taking your original statement, looking at the contrapositive and directly proving that, right? Another form of indirect proof is what's called proof by contradiction. Wait, I'm going to write it bigger and nicer because it's basically my favorite thing in the world. Proof by contradiction. So proof by contradiction, the way that goes is, well, first of all, you know what? I'll kind of show you. Actually, yeah. Let's talk about this. Who here has seen Legally Blonde? No one? The Reese Witherspoon classic? I cannot relate to you people. But the point is, Legally Blonde is a movie where Reese Witherspoon plays a lawyer. And I'm going to go through a transcript of Legally Blonde that perfectly demonstrates what proof by contradiction is. So, there's two people in the scene. There's the lawyer, Reese Witherspoon, and the witness. And the witness that Reese Witherspoon thinks is guilty. She thinks she's actually the one that committed the murder, but she can't really prove it yet. But you just wait. So the witness, so let's start with the facts. I'll say Legally Blonde case. Here's the facts. They have receipts, they know this. On the day of the murder, or so we're going to say murder at 11:45 a.m. That's the time. And we know that on the day of the murder, on that day, the witness had breakfast and got a perm and was back home by 11 o'clock a.m. And the home is the place of the murder. So these are the facts we know. We know when the murder was, and we know that the witness, who our lawyer thinks did it, had breakfast and then went out and got a perm and was back home by 11 a.m. All right. So here's how it goes. So start with the lawyer. So the witness takes the stand. And the lawyer says, so he says, so you're home by 11. Why didn't you hear that? Why didn't you see the murder? Why did you not see or hear the murder? Other since it's a smell, the lawyer just doesn't care about it, apparently. Taking a back seat. Our witness, though, that's a very innocuous explanation. She said she was in the shower. Between 11:30 and noon. Takes long showers. The point is, the witness was in the shower. This is what she claims. So these are facts in the sense that they're like verifiable. Like the police know when the murder happened. They know, and they have like receipts from the perm and stuff like that. There's witnesses that she got a perm. Like these are facts. This is what she claims. No one else was in the house when it happened that we know of. So the lawyer says, but what about your perm? The witness says, what? What? I mean, what do you mean? Why does my perm matter? We're talking about a murder case. Well, the lawyer says, that you can't take a shower within 48 hours of a perm, or you can't wash your hair. You can't take a shower within like 24 hours of perm, or it'll ruin your curls that you get in the perm. Right? She would have known if her curls got ruined. And by the way, she's an experienced perm getter. She would never have taken a shower within 24 hours of a perm. Within 24 hours of perm, therefore, so here's what's happened. We know for a fact that the witness, right, had breakfast and got a perm that morning, right before 11 a.m. And so the lawyer asks, okay, so you're home at 11 a.m. Why did you not see or hear the murder? And the witness goes, oh, that's simple. I was in the shower at 11:30, 11:45, or 11:30 at noon at the time of the murder. People take showers, right? And the lawyer cleverly goes, but wait a minute, what about your perm? And the witness goes, what? Why does that matter at first? And the lawyer says, like if you get a perm, then or if you take a shower within 24 hours of perm, you would ruin your curls. You would never do that. We see that you still have your perm. We can still see your curls. You did not undo your perm. Therefore, there's no way you took a shower between 11:30. There's no way you took a shower at 11 a.m. Here's the point. This is like a very long-winded shaggy dog story. What did the lawyer do here that was so clever?
She used a contradiction to prove her argument.
Saba, thanks for telling me what I want to hear. As always. I mean, she does, but I mean, that's actually kind of the exact point. She caught the witness in a lie, basically, right? What she did here is she showed that the witness's claim contradicts the facts, right? I guess another fact would be perm is not ruined, right? So what happened here, right, is the claim that witness took shower contradicts facts that she had a perm and it is not ruined, right? So what the lawyer did is basically what you do is you go along with the claim, right? So the way you prove something by contradiction, right? If you have a claim that you don't think is true, what you can do is you can go along with it. You go, okay, let's just assume you're right. Assume the claim is true. Even the lawyer thinks it's false, let's assume it's true. Assume the claim is true, right? And then show that that logically leads to something that's false, right? And so if you combine this claim with the fact that the witness took a perm or had a perm before 11 a.m., that logically leads to the perm being ruined. But that contradicts the direct fact that the perm is not ruined, right? This is the brilliant part of contradiction and why it's so beautiful and so amazing, because this is the exact thing we love about lawyer movies and stuff like that, right? Like when you catch a witness in a lie, where you like take a few facts, put them together with their claim, and you find out like, oh, there's no way it could have happened, right? I mean, has anyone read To Kill a Mockingbird?
Yes.
Great book, by the way. But the point is, Atticus Finch catches, like in that case, someone's being charged with assault, and Atticus Finch, right, catches that witness in a lie by saying that, oh, okay, well, like what, the guy hit you, so the guy hit you like only on the left side. Well, guess what? Guess what? Or only on the right, whatever it was, only on the left side. Guess what? My client, the defendant here, like his right arm doesn't even work, so he could not have possibly done that. Right? That's the whole point, right? You catch a witness in a lie, proving a contradiction. Prove that their claim logically leads to contradicting the facts. That's brilliant. This is Sherlock Holmes, this is lawyers, all wrapped into one, and it's all here in math, and it's amazing. So who wants to do a proof? Come on, let's do one. I think you'll see what I mean in a second.